In the given figure, you can see a number of things which we get from a single tree. Means you can see the first most important thing is oxygen, which we get from trees. Then after, medicinal plants are also there, from which we get the Ayurvedic medicines from it. And also shelter, means the tree which the wood which we use in the shelter, especially in kacha house, we get from trees. And the fuel, the sports goods like bat, hockey sticks, this all are made up of woods, and the wood which comes from forest. The furniture like sofa, chairs, wooden tables in your house, which is the product of the forest, as we get the wood from it. And also other edible products like honey, fruits, vegetables, we get from trees. And also rubber, gum, etc. we directly get from forest. And also beside this, the forest are the shelter for various animals, especially wild animals like tiger, lion, deer, and also the next for the birds. And next is wildlife. So wildlife is basically the life in the forest, means the life of the wild animals which lives in the forest. Forests are home to a variety of wildlife. There are thousands of species of animals and a large variety of reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds, insects, and worms which dwells in the forest. So basically, as we live in a society or in a city, in the same way, animals, the wild animals also live in a forest. They live in a harmony or depends on each other, like carnivorous eat the herbivorous. Means carnivorous those who are non-vegetarians, and herbivorous are those who eat herbs and plants. So these reptiles, amphibians, the amphibians are those which can live both in water and land. Reptiles like lizard, snakes, etc., and mammals like fish, okay, and birds like crow, pigeon, insects like femur, and this all live in the forest. And also they get their food from forest itself, and they survive there. So students, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me anytime. You can give me a call. I will give you all the clearance regarding any doubt. So the next, continue with the chapter. The tiger is our national animal. It is found in various parts of the country. Gir forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions. Elephants and one-horned rhinoceros roams in the forest of Assam. Elephants are also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Camels and wild asses are found in the Great Indian Desert and the Rann of Kutch, respectively. In this video, you can see the various creatures which lives basically in the forest. shrubs, the timbers, which are the part of vegetation. One of the most important thing is water. Without it, vegetation in the forest will not survive. And also, we the people can't also survive without water. These are the rivers which flows across the forest of our India. These are the grass in the lake or the water bodies which are in Indian forest.